Dr. Poonam Bali from Bliss Holistic Health Center in Hauz, Khas. Today let's understand what is acupressure and how it can benefit your body. So what is acupressure? Acu means thumb or finger and pressure means to put pressure. So we use our either thumb or finger holding the area to put sufficient pressure so that it can then sends out the energy through the energy meridians, which are about 72,000 nerve channels are there in the body, and the course that runs between the one nerve point to the other is called the energy meridian or chi, the pathways of the chi energy. What is chi means energy in Chinese, and that is where the acupressure works. So we usually choose points at on the ends of the body, which is either toes or fingers or ears, temples. So these are the peripheral points, because all the 72,000 nerve channels, they will be ending towards the periphery. So when we will put pressure on those points, then that will clear the blockages of the pathways of the energy channels. So that is the very reason for any disease that takes form. And the first one to get affected is this vital force, or the energy meridian through which the vital force runs, which gets disturbed or imbalanced. Because of the blockages, the energy is not flowing freely, and that then affects so many different functions of the body, different organs and systems, and that will get into an imbalance, and that will take the form of some pathology, and then it becomes more difficult to treat. It takes longer time. Nothing is difficult or impossible. So by pressing those points with the right amount of pressure, which should be sufficient, steady, and for some time, at least few seconds to 2 minutes, depending on which point you are treating. If it's a big point like base of the big toe, the energy should be applied, the pressure should be applied for about 2 minutes. If there's smaller points on smaller areas, then it can be few seconds. So then regular treatment with this acupressure sessions will clear the blockages. It will bring a beautiful flow of the energy back into the system, and this will improve the vital force, and that is what will then remove the pathology. Of course, supported by other things like maybe some oral medications using homeopathy or Ayurveda, or we can use hydro baths, mud packs. There's so many alternative supportive therapies which we can combine with acupressure. So acupressure is a beautiful treatment which can prevent a lot of illness by improving the flow of energy into your body, which is where the beginning and end of health, in my opinion, because everything starts with the disturbance of the flow of energy, and it is also improved by the improving that flow of that energy, removing the blockages. So that is what in a nutshell is acupressure. It is originally a Chinese therapy, but it works on everybody. Bodies is the same, and in India also we are using it extensively. At our center, Bliss Welleness, we are doing acupressure for so many different conditions like anxiety, depression, insomnia, even severe diseases like gastrointestinal problems, diabetes, cancer pathology, so many conditions you can think of. Everything can be improved by the application of acupressure therapy. So come and you make use of this therapy to prevent illness and improve your health quotient, or if you already have some conditions, you can treat them and cure them. Thank you.